How to fix creator accounts cannot be private. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Again tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now wait for some time. Now scroll down and tap on for professionals. Now tap on creator rules and controls. Now tap on switch account type and click on switch to personal account. Again tap on switch to personal account and wait for some time. Now once you're done, simply tap on profile at the bottom right corner again. Now refresh the page, tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now now scroll down and tap on account privacy. Now enable the toggle for private account. Now tap on switch to private. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.